Welcome friends. In this video today I am going to tell about tuple. Tuple is the another data structure which are generally present collection of array elements just like list. Okay, so here how it is different from list and how tuple work and behave. Let's see through programming. Okay, so first of all, we cover some points. Just like tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, just like a list, which will also store multiple items in a single variable, a single list object. Built in four data types, that is Python used to store collection of data. So list, set, dictionary. So which are we followed by in upcoming time we learn set and dictionary. But today we learn tuple and different qualities and uses. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Okay, so this is the important point. The elements present inside the tuple are ordered. Okay, and unchangeable. You cannot change it. Okay, you cannot remove it or modify it. So tuple items ordered, unchangeable, allow duplicate value. Okay, tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. Just like so, order means the tuples are order. It means that items are defined orderly and their order will not change. The items are defined orderly. Just like indexes, we can access the items 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. So you can access tuple items index wise also. So first of all, I will print the tuple, how tuple looks like. Then we go through each and every statement with example. It will help and benefits with for you to understand how tuple behaves and tuple is going to be work. So first of all, I write the code. First we present the tuple. Suppose t equal to, if you use this type of parenthesis, then it is comes out a tuple and it is a order on unchangeable and allow duplicate items or values. So if you go for the 1 2 3 4, so when it is going to be print and it returns tuple. Okay, how could you know it's a tuple or not? If you go for the print type, okay, t, then it also return you type is int, that is called a tuple. Okay, the integer type, the elements present inside this tuple is integer type. When it is go for the type t, it returns the what type the object is, what type of the object is. The t is belongs to the tuple. If it is a list, then it is return the list. So the class type is tuple. So you know, understand what is the t? T is the class which is belongs to the tuple class, and which are the upcoming time we also learn the different methods also. So then the tuple items. So the items inside the tuple, which is order, unchangeable, and duplicate values, and the items we can access inside the tuple by index wise. First item is a index 0, second item is a index 1. Understand? Then go for below. Okay. Fine. Now I will show you how the tuple generally work. A, comma, B, comma, C. When it is ordered, print T2 of 0. That is T2 of 0. It returns the it returns the error. Tuple object is not callable. Tuple object is not callable. Yes, it is not callable. I will use the wrong parenthesis. Sorry, this one. Okay, this is the index accessible. Okay, it returns a. I go for the, so if you write in this way, first element, then this one, then you go for the second element, print. Okay, then there is a second element, that is colon, comma, t, there is a t2, that is a 1. Okay, then when you go for the print print, that is a third element, comma T2, that is a 2. Okay, so you can access in this way all the elements. The first element is A, second element is B, third element is C. So this is the way you can access, you can index all the tuple elements. First item index is 0, second item index is 1, third item index is 2. Okay, so when you spelled the third item, so your calculation called as a third, but after the computer it processed or indexed the according to coding, according to language, the indexes begins from 0, not that is going to be 1, but our counting begins from 1, not 0. Okay, if you go for the digits, then it is comes out the 0 to 9, that's called 10 digits. Okay, 10 digits, otherwise it's simple. Okay, so then we go for the order. Yes, order, unchangeable, and allow duplicate. So when we show that the tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and the order will not change. Yes, you cannot change the order. Unchangeable meaning we cannot change. Unchangeable meaning that cannot change, add and remove items after the tuple has been created. If there is a tuple is to created, if you want to add, just like list object, we can join two list. You cannot here perform that way, because into T2 the elements which are present and you can add more elements to that particular tuple, it's not possible. That's why it's saying that unchangeable, we cannot change, add or remove item after the tuple have created. Okay, tuple has been created, it cannot be add and cannot be remove it. Fine. Allow duplicates, yes, it allow duplicates. How could you know it allow duplicates? Let's see simple one example, it how it allow duplicates. Okay, fine. So let's see. So there is a tuple 3 equal to bracket, and there is a 1 1 2 1, sorry, 2 2 3, and when it is going to be print T3 and it is run it, it returns you 1 1 1 1 2 2 and 3. Okay, this is Python tuple which allow duplicate values also. Unchangeable, ordered. Then length. How could you evaluate the length of the tuple? Yes, you can evaluate the length of the tuple. Fine. How could you evaluate the length of the tuple? Okay, so first, upon already I declare three times the tuple. Now I will directly print length colon comma length within bracket T2 or T3. Okay, T3. It returns you the number of elements which are present, that is a 6. There is a 3 3 6. Okay, understood how it is returns? There is a function which is inbuilt function, that is length 3, it will going to be returning. Fine. Okay, then next, what is the next? Then it create the tuple with one item. To create a tuple with only one item, you have to add a comma after the item, otherwise Python will not recognize it as a tuple. So what it tells him, what it tells, it tells that if you create a one item tuple, it can be possible, but you have to when adding the elements after the one element, you have to add the comma. Okay, you have to add comma. How? See, suppose there is a T4 and there is a single element tuple, that is apple. After apple, I will add the comma. When I add the comma, and how could you know? Then print. Within print, you have to use type, and within type, it will be T4. And when you are going to run it, it shows you the tuple, class tuple. If it is a tuple, return, then you understand the T4 is the tuple, and the single item element is also belongs to the tuple. If you add the single item or single element, after that you have to mention the comma. If you are not mentioning the comma, then it in the processor a system can't recognize it is a tuple or not. Okay, understand how create a tuple with one item. This is the one item tuple. Fine. So there is a lots of other points are present which I will cover in the part 2 video. So if there is any doubt, go through this particular video, repeat this video, repeat view, okay, and understand how it is, where it your difficulties, and please write the comment inside this video. Okay, after end of this video. Fine. At the end, please like and share, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notifications. Thank you.